Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm making my chili. It's a lamb chili which you can eat all on its own in a big bowl. I thoroughly enjoy it with some garlic bread or cheesy crusty bread on the side. The kids, however, love it with their spaghetti. They both do love a spaghetti bolognese. It's a very versatile dish and you can incorporate it into all of your different dishes the way you'd like to. First, I'm adding a couple tablespoons of coconut oil, approximately 3 tablespoons. I'm using half a kg of lamb mince today. Once your oil is hot, add 2 heaped teaspoons of garlic. Ensure your heat is at its lowest. We now want to quickly fry our garlic on a very low temperature. And it only needs a few seconds. We are now going to start adding our spices. It's 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, followed by 2 teaspoons of masala, and I'm using Nagiahs everyday masala. Followed by a teaspoon of Jeera powder and a teaspoon of Coriander powder. Next, a teaspoon of turmeric. Again, make sure your temperature is on low. Give it a slight mix, and then almost immediately we can start adding our canned tomato onion mix. So today I'm using 1 can of tomato onion mix as well as a can of tomato puree. And I don't generally use any canned tomato mixes, but for my chili I do. If you want to use fresh tomatoes, you can definitely do that. You probably might need about 10 to 12 tomatoes. Add some fresh herbs or dried herbs or mixed herbs. Ideally, I use rosemary, so try to use rosemary. It does really enhance the taste of lamb. And a fresh sprigs of rosemary is the best. If you have that, please use it. Next, add 2 teaspoons of sugar. And because we are using so many tomatoes or tomato onion mix as well as a tomato puree, we have to balance the acidity in those tomatoes. Please excuse the lighting. We did realize only after the filming was done that the light went very bright and very dark. Now let it simmer together, and one of my top tips will be, when using canned tomatoes, ensure you leave it with an open lid so all of those preservatives can evaporate, and I feel like it helps with the actual taste as well. Once you let it simmer with an open lid, then you can close it and let it simmer further. And this is on a low heat for approximately 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can add your lamb mince. I'm using half a kg of mince today. I also add all of the bones. This also helps to enhance the flavor. Mix it so all of your mince separate and do not become clumpy together. Next, add salt to taste. You can add more seasoning if you wish. And we're going to let it cook for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. As you can see, the oil is starting to rise. And this is after approximately 25 minutes. I'm now going to add some pasta water because I am making spaghetti for the kids. This is about 3 ladles of water, approximately half a cup of water. That's 125 milliliters more or less. You can use just boiling water if you wish. If you like stock, you can go ahead and use that. Give it a final mix, and then we're going to let it simmer again on a low heat now for a further 10 minutes. It will also start to thicken. And after approximately 30 minutes, your chili should be ready. Look at that beautiful color. I can't wait to dig in. You can now garnish with some fresh parsley, ideally fresh parsley. I didn't have any available, so I am using coriander today. And as I mentioned earlier, I love a bowl of chili. This was actually my midnight snack as well, with some garlic bread on the side. For the kids today, however, I've boiled some pasta, some spaghetti, and my taster Yavi was extremely hungry today. He could not wait. And I'm sure if you have kids as well, it's like a broken tape recorder. How many more minutes? Is it ready yet? How many more minutes? Is it ready yet? Over and over again. But yes, it was ready and he got to indulge. He didn't even wait for it to cool down. He couldn't even talk. But he had thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm sure you will as well. As usual, all the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always very welcome. Until next time, I am Selena. Enjoy the rest of your day.